Tá sé costal leis na rudaí atá glór na móna deanú an tamar fad, a chur an géalaí chun tosaí, a chur an phobal chun tosaí, a chur chun tosaí chun tosaí ag level náisiúnta agus internaisiúnta agus go háirithe ag level pobal agus sin an nuair is táhairtaí agus sin an obair iontaach atá sé ag dhéanamh anseo.
Is páirtíthas politeacht agus pobal atá mar críomhhana ag Féile na Carriage. Caithíonn muid spásanna den smuointeach creitagúil, den idirthas politiúil, den achtasaíocht agus den céilearú pobal. Creideamid nar chóir den politeacht a bheith fága ag an politeacht páirtí, sa dtíon lethas ionadaíoch chuir muid vóta ga ceithre bliana. Sa dtíon lethas ramfáirteach ghlachan muid úineoireacht ar cinnehaint sogin haon, caithíonn muid gríomhachas agus cuachtú ó mna níos. Caithíonn muid an tuiscint nach bhfuil aon riadarí nó slánaitheoirí ag teacht chun muid a hábhailt, go bhfuil an dúilgus oraí na bheith bíon eagraithe, agus an phoblacht a háilú agus a thógáil san áit sin a hasanmuid.
And so part of that, again, is like re-indigenizing, is also recognizing we're in a contemporary landscape, we're in a contemporary social dynamic and road structures and houses and all the things, right? When we re-indigenize, it's actually getting to the roots of the way that we live on Earth, with each other, with nature, with the spirits, ancestors, that whole idea of like getting back to that place that our ancestors knew, that is a sustainable practice that allows us to, again, like achieve a different relationship, right? And so it's not reforming a system, it's kind of going towards a new, it's a transformational step when we re-indigenize something. But, you know, to be out on the land, to be walking, to be moving, to be breathing, you know, we're all the different things that we're learning through Western science, you know, our gut biomes, or we're inhaling and breathing, you know, these things that our body needs to be healthy. We're actually like, visually, the color and the patterns of nature like are informing and helping our brains in particular ways. The bipedal movement is another part, you know, where it's helping us reach stasis. When we go back to nature, is actually going back to a source of healing.
Higa sin tan internaisiúnachas lárnach a Féile na Carriage. Tá muid tromanta chun blúfáirteachta a léirú dóibh siúd a teag strachailt in an éagara, agus dóibh siúd a teag strachailt in a cheannaíthe ar nós pobal na Palestíne agus an Súdán. Tá commitment céanógin in an cheannaíochas a tá fréimhithe sa chulíneachas agus flas an dúdhéis, a éascríonn an tubheitin an capitalist fud an dóin.
What I love about looking at this community is the way in which you get it together on so many levels. You're working at a language and music and sports and kids and older people and culture and it's just brilliant. It is a real community of resistance. The skills of this community, you know, looking from the outside, if you were an elitist professor looking from the outside, you'd say, well, they're nice people, but they don't have a lot, you know, and they really couldn't string a speech together, whatever. Your skills are just spectacular. Your organising skills, your speaking skills, your fundraising skills, and everything, they're spectacular. You know, if Simo was here, he died about 6-7 years ago. Simo was here, he'd love you.
We're all here today to kind of just pay a bit of attention to the theme of anti-racism and why it's so important in our society that we welcome everyone that's coming here. So as Gaels, we're all Gaels here, we're all part of the GA community. We welcome everyone. We're a multicultural society and we welcome anyone wanting to come, experience our culture, experience our language, use our language, play our Gaelic games.
Tá fís úscailte chugainn don Gaelic a tá incimsíthe, fáiltiúil agus oscailte de chath. Creideamid nach féidir ach gcóil na teanga a scarú uórceisina politiúla ar linne. Cuireann an uachtanas, tub cluisigh airide, fás an cinneachas agus fáistethas, agus cinneíthú chulíneach asúing na lig. Caithfear na pumpkinna strachailte a cheangailt, ma támuid hungluaiseacht árasa go thógáil, sin an príomhspric atá ag Féile na Carriage. Lena cás sin is Féile pobalí Féile na Carriage a caithíonn sinseacht agus sprí, fríd ceard lena tealaí, siúlóidí sléibhe, firmathe pobal, spórtena dúthasathe sogin agus an ceol tradiisiúnta.